So I gave it some thought. I said, I think I know why people don't videotape me. It's because, you know, I dress up and they're like, oh, yo, you look nice. I'm like, yeah, okay, thank you. But I don't got no, like, no feathers and shit. I got no, like, no bling bling, nothing really to shine out. People are like, oh, he's a performer, right? I'm an artist, so y'all respect my shit. So check it out. I figured it out. I know what it is. And you got no excuse. Y'all gonna videotape me. I'm not gonna dance for y'all, I just want to videotape. So
you gotta take that shit off. You gotta dance.
No,
You gotta see it the right way. You gotta go all out.
Listen.
And now we're gonna put one of those pegadito pants on.
I got a couple of those already. But no, check it out. But you already know that you guys know that I'm already in the midst of creating a 15-minute routine. But so what I'm doing, Albert, so you can know, you might want to put me in this documentary.
That's longer than your sex.
So what I'm doing is I'm taking a little bit, because it's a little bit of everybody's routine that I introduced.
I might have to come back to New York just for that.
Yeah, it's 15 minutes. Check it out.
Can we see something now?
No. I know y'all want to see it, but we got a lot of shows, all right?
No, we only got 3 more.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, we only got 3 more.
Okay, I'm going to give you a little bit.
Okay. You can do it. I trust you. If you ever want to work with me again, you're going to do it.
And when I left the weed, jumping the speedo, trying to tear my cheese.
No, porque una vaina bacana que yo voy a hacer.
That's the Dominican.
So yo, check it out. Leña the mic, right? Leña in the back. So I want to see my ass on video. YouTube, Instagram, social media. So I'll be like, I want to see my ass dance too. Okay. So having said that already, y'all know the deal. I don't want to see a whole show and me not in it. We established that. Okay. My name is Levi La Leña. Are you ready for your next show? Let's bring